Hello students, this is the differentiation class for the beginners. इसका मतलब those who are starting the differentiation mainly for the new class 11 students. So let's start. First of all, first question, what is the differentiation? So it has a lot of meaning. Generally the meaning what students know, that is it is the slope of the tangent. But remember, first of all it is the rate of change operator. So for the starting purpose, let's do some formulas and some substitution method. Let's see, let's start. Differentiation for the algebraic function. So this, for this formula, d dx of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. This is the algebraic function. So from this, all these are coming. So this is the main formula. Let us start with this. For example, y equal to x to the power 5. So if we apply d dx on the both side, once again I am telling you, differentiation is the rate of change operator. Plus is the operator, minus is the operator, multiplication is the operator, division is the operator, differentiation is also operator. So d dx if we apply, so x to the power n ka formula, so n x to the power n minus 1, therefore we can write this as 5x to the power 5 minus 1 equal to 5x to the power 4. One more formula, one more sum, that is x to the power 5 plus 3x square plus 2. Remember one thing, derivative, differentiation for any constant is 0. The reason is that rate of change with respect to the x, rate of change c, constant is the c. It means that y equal to c is the line parallel to x axis. So rate of change with respect to the line parallel to the x axis. So it has no rate of change. Therefore, differentiation for the constant number is 0. Now let's do one example. Y equal to x to the power 5 plus 3x square plus 2. So what to be done here? So if we apply d dx apply, d dx apply here, x to the power 5 plus 3 d dx of x square plus d dx of 2. So 5x to the power 4 according to this formula, nx to the power n minus 1. So 5x to the power 4. Now 3x square, this 3 is coming outside. So I have taken 3 outside. Differentiation of x square, what is coming? Differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is this formula, nx to the power n minus 1. So x square 2, 2x to the power 2 minus 1, 2x to the power 1, that is coming to be 2x, and this is the constant number. The derivative, the differentiation, derivative, same meaning. So differentiation of constant number is 0. Therefore answer is coming to be 0. So 5x to the power 4 plus 2x. Next, differentiation of the trigonometric function. So d dx of sin x is cos x. So every formula has its proof. First of all, we have to know that differentiation, let us apply the differentiation coefficient, differentiation operator. Then all the proof and all others, I'll just give some another videos where we'll cover. And derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x, derivative differentiation, same meaning, is sec square x, derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, and derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. These are the main formulas for the trigonometry, which you have to keep in mind. These are the main formulas for the trigonometry. Now, for example, y equal to sin x. So, d dx of sin x, dy dx is cos x. This is the direct formula. Now, I am giving some just general formula. So, d dx of sin mx equal to m cos mx. इसका मतलब if it is d dx of cos mx, similarly minus m is coming outside, coefficient is coming outside, and when we will do the integration, coefficient is coming down. What to do in whether it has been differentiation or integration, we can distinguish by this way. Whenever we differentiate, coefficient is coming out. When we integrate, coefficient is coming down. Now tan x, if we, this is the tan x mx, if it is tan mx, its derivative m sec square mx. So whenever it is m, it is like that, m is coming outside. For example, I am giving one example here. Suppose y equal to sin 3x. So according to the question of sin mx, so m is coming outside, so formula is same. So d dx of 3 cos 3x. For example, y equal to sec 7x. So, and remember one thing, calculus, differentiation is under calculus. Differentiation, that is calculus, is the one variable operator till your plus 12. Okay, this is the one variable operator. For example, that plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are the binary operator, and but differentiation, integration is the one variable operator. These are very important, remember this. So d dx of sec 7x, that is 7 is outside, sec 7x tan 7x. In this way we will proceed. In this way we will think. One more example, y equal to, suppose here it is coming to be tan ax. So except x and y, all other considered to be constant. So if we apply the d dx, so a is coming outside, sec square ax. In this way, इसका मतलब whenever this m is here, m is coming outside, and as the same the formula will be applied. In the similar way, formula will be applied. Next, differentiation of the logarithm function. So d dx of log x is 1 by x, d dx of e to the power x is e to the power x. You have to keep in mind, d dx of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. Remember one thing, log is called ln. In case of differentiation integration, if nothing is given, that log is considered to be ln. ln means with the base e. E is the exponential number, and e is the exponential number lying between 2 and 3, and the approximate value of e is 2.71. Remember this. Next, so once again I am telling you, so differentiation of log x is 1 by x, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. इसका मतलब if it is differentiation of e to the power ax, it is coming, a is coming out as usual, so e to the power ax. So differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. Remember, it is actually ln a, the base of the log is e. And last formula, okay, we can apply same as log calculation. For example, y equal to e to the power 11x. So if we differentiate, d dx is called the differentiation, d dx is called the derivative. To differentiate, so it has a lot of name, like you have lot of name in your home. Similarly, so if we apply d dx of e to the power 11x, so 11 e to the power 11x, so like this, a e to the power ax. For example, one more formula, not formula, this is the application, d dx of a to the power x. This application, suppose d dx of 3 to the power x, this is coming 3 to the power x into log of 3. So we'll do like this. Next, differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. These are the main three formulas: sin inverse x, cos inverse x, and tan inverse x. Other formula can be done in the beginner stage. Other formulas are not required. Just remember for sin inverse x, cos inverse x, and tan inverse x, because inverse circular function, inverse trigonometric function is a chapter, is in class 12. Okay, so let's start solving the differentiation. Suppose y equal to 3 x to the power 5 minus 7 x to the power 4 plus 3. So if we differentiate, इसका मतलब if we just do d dx, if we just apply d dx of x to the power 5 minus 7 d dx of x to the power 4 plus d dx of 3. So we can write this as 3x to the power 5 is 5x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. So d dx of x to the power n, which we know, x to the power n is the constant number. Everyone, n is the constant number. X to the power n x to the power n minus 1. So using this, we can apply 5 x to the power 5 minus 1. This will be 5 x to the power 5 minus 1, like that, x to the power 4. So let's apply. So this is coming 5x to the power 4 minus 7 into 4. So x cube plus derivative of constant is 0. So final answer is 15 x to the power 4 minus 28 x cube. In this way we will think. One more sum. One more sum. Let's y equal to x plus 1 by root x. How to solve this sum? First of all, let us better separate the calculation. It means separate the term and then do the differentiation in this type of algebraic function. So y equal to x by root x plus 1 by root x. So y equal to root x plus x to the power minus half. If we just differentiate d dx, if we apply, so d dx of x to the power half plus d dx of x to the power minus half. So d dx of x to the power half, x to the power n ka formula, n x to the power n minus 1. Therefore, you can write this as half x to the power minus half and minus half x to the power minus 3 by 2. Now you calculate of your own. As you think better, you can calculate. Okay, ready? Next, one more sum. Suppose y equal to x square plus 1 by x square. How to solve this sum? If we apply d dx on the both side, first of all, instead of differentiating, it is better, let us simplify. So y equal to 1 plus 1 by x square, that is y equal to 1 plus x to the power minus 2. Now let us apply the d dx. If we apply d dx, 1 ka derivative 0, derivative of 1 is 0, so I am not writing so much. And x to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2 is n x to the power n minus 1. So n x to the power n minus 1. So minus 2 x to the power minus 3. This is the sum. Now let's go to the next sum. Y equal to, suppose x plus x square by root x. One more example so that the concept becomes clear for you. So first of all, let us separate x by root x plus x square. Let us apply the indices x to the power half. So y equal to x to the power half plus x to the power 3 by 2. Now if we apply the y equal to x to the power n ka formula, so it can be done directly, and n is the constant number, keep in mind. So d dx, if we apply, so d dx of x to the power half plus d dx of x to the power 3 by 2, we can say n x to the power, for this portion n, this is the n x to the power n minus 1. So we can write half x to the power half minus 1. Similarly 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. According to the calculation, x to the power minus half plus 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 is root x to the power half. Next, y equal to sin 3x plus cos square x. Remember one thing, for differentiation, to know the differentiation in detail, you need the application of trigonometry, mainly multiple, submultiple. Okay, because there is no formula for square cube, we have to just direct formula is there for the multiple angle. So cos square x, suppose, plus, what will I write? That is, suppose e to the power 3x. Now d dx, the derivative of sin 3x, sin mx is m cos mx. So in this case, derivative of, directly I am doing, derivative of sin 3x is 3 cos 3x, because we know that d dx, already I have shown you, m cos mx. So d dx of sin mx is m cos 3x. But how will you do for this thing, cos square x? Let's convert this cos square x to the, multiple angle. So how to convert this cos square x to the multiple angle? So if we just multiply half, so 2 cos square x, so d dx already assigned, 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. Once again see this, I have just multiplied by half, balanced by 2. So 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. This is a formula of the multiple angle. If you have done multiple angle, so you must know this formula. This is very popular and famous formula. And e to the power 3x is 3 e to the power 3x. So final formula is 3 cos 3x plus half d dx of 1. D dx of 1 is 0, constant ka derivative 0, and d dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. So I am writing here that is minus 2 sin 2x because the derivative of cos x minus sin x. So derivative of cos mx is minus m sin mx. Now plus 3 e to the power 3x. So we are getting 3 cos 3x minus sin 2x plus 3 e to the power 3x. This is the sum. Now let us come to the next sum. Suppose y equal to sin square x. What is the differentiation? There is no formula for the square cube. There is the formula by substitution, but direct formula there is no for the square cube. So we have to convert it to the just multiple angle. What to do? First of all, we will do in this way. 2 multiply 2.5 sin square 2x, and if you have done the multiple angle, you must know that 1 minus cos 2x. Therefore d dx, if we apply, that is d dx of half, that is 0, minus, so I am separating d dx of half minus half outside d dx of cos 2x. So the derivative of half is 0, half is a constant number, its derivative is 0, and minus half cos 2x is minus, one more minus sin 2x by 2, therefore sin 2x by 4. Now let us introduce the product form in the differentiation. So y equal to u into v is a product form. U is one function, v is another function. So what is the product form? So d dx, it is very popular. D dx is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, so this is the product form. So you can take out of the two function, you can take any function as u and any function as v. For example, y equal to x into sin x, you can take anything as u and anything as v. So in this case, suppose let us consider x as the u and sin x as the v. Otherwise you can take sin x as the u and x as the v. So इसमें कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So in this case d dx apply करो, we are getting u constant, derivative of sin x, differentiation, derivative, whatever you say, whatever you like, you can just call to differentiation. So d dx of x. So x, the differentiation of sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So we can write here cos x plus sin x common, dx by dx1. So this is the differentiation of u v formula, x into sin x. This is the derivative formula of u into v. Next, let us come to the next sum. Suppose y equal to tan x into e to the power x. So similarly, you can select any function as u, any function as v. It depends on you. This is your choice. Whatever you think, this anything as u and anything as v. Suppose I am taking tan x as u, tan x as the first function, tan x as the u, and e to the power x as the v. So u v formula. So let us apply the product form or u v formula, whatever you ask. So d dx, if we apply, so tan x constant, derivative of e to the power x, differentiation of e to the power x plus e to the power x constant, differentiation of tan x. Okay everyone. Now tan x, e to the power x is e to the power x, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Now e to the power x is constant, tan x is the sec square x. So this is the way, this is the differentiation of x to e to the power x into tan x. Okay, so next one more formula let us introduce, that is y equal to u by v. This is called the quotient form, divided form, whatever you say. Okay, so this is one is the product form and one is this quotient form. So in this case u by v, so if we apply the d dx, this is coming v square, denominator v square, v constant, derivative of u minus u constant, derivative of v. This is the form of the, this is the divided form, quotient form, whatever you say. For example, y equal to tan x by log x. So if we apply the u by v form, so d dx apply u by v form. So v square denominator, just see one thing, v square, this is v, this is v, v square in the denominator. So v is constant, derivative of the first, derivative of the u, minus u is constant, derivative of v. Remember this. This is a bit of confusing formula, but very effective formula. So what we will do? Log x square, it is v, this is coming, so I am just showing you one thing, this is coming u, this is coming v. So v square, denominator is the v square, this is v square. Now v is the constant, denominator whole square. Now this denominator is the constant. Therefore we can write v and derivative of tan x u minus we can write here tan x u constant, derivative of v. Now log x tan x is sec square x, differentiation of tan x is sec square x, we know, and derivative of log x is 1 by x, that we know. So let us put minus tan x into log x derivative 1 by x by log x whole square. One more sum, y equal to sin x by x to the power 4, u by v formula, y equal to sin x by x to the power 4. Achha, this formula we can make it uv also, sin x into x to the power minus 4, that is also we can do. This is your choice, this is according to the, in accordance with the necessity of the sums, will apply which is the uv and which is the u by v. So let's practice for the u by v. So let us write this. So we can write here dy dx equal to v square. So x to the power 4 is the v. So u is the sin x and v is the x to the power 4, u by v formula. So v square, v constant, derivative of sin x, differentiation of sin x, and minus sin x constant, differentiation of x to the power 4. So finally is coming to be x to the power 8. So here it is coming x to the power 4, sin x derivative cos x. So it is coming cos x minus sin x into 4x cube. Now you can simplify as of your own. Okay. So this one is the uv formula, one is the u by v formula. Now I am coming to the most important part of the differentiation, which is the substitution, differentiation by substitution. So what is the differentiation by substitution? So y equal to, suppose sin square x, what you have done. In the previous case, whatever we have done, that once again I am showing you, in the previous case whatever we have done, that is y equal to half and 2 multiplied, and we had to use the multiple angle. So half y equal to half 1 minus cos 2x. This is a very popular and important formula for the multiple angle. So if we apply the d dx, so d dx of half, 1 ka derivative 0 minus cos 2x is sin 2x by 2, sin 2x into 2. So final answer is sin 2x. But so much is not needed if we apply the chain rule. The rule is like a chain, that is why the name is the chain rule or substitution method, whatever you say. Just see one thing, how to apply the chain rule. We have to substitute for anything such that we'll get the fundamental formula. Fundamental formula is the formula which you have done previously, which I showed you previously. So what to do? Let us apply d dx. If we apply d dx, we are getting here d dx of sin square x. There is no formula for d dx of sin square x. What we'll do? Just we'll take sin x equal to t. If we take sin x as t, so d dx of t square is coming. But t is different coordinate, x is different coordinate. So t cannot be differentiated with the x. Therefore we can write this as d dt of t square, because x square can be differentiated with x, t square can be differentiated with 3, but t square cannot be differentiated with x, because what I told you, calculus is the one variable function. Everybody, calculus, for those who are thinking for the IIT JEE examination, remember one thing, one of the most difficult part, the interesting as well as most difficult part is the calculus, and you have to, for IIT JEE examination, it is the most important portion of the syllabus. Okay. So everybody, this is the t square and dt by dx. Everyone remember one thing, that is why its name is chain rule, chain like rule. So this is dt, this is dt. Okay, it is like chain, because t square can be differentiated with t and x square can be differentiated with x, x with the x, t with the t, otherwise that coordinate will be changed. Okay, next. So t square is 2t and d dx of t, t is what we have taken as t, this is the t we have taken. So we have taken this as the t, so we can write this as sine 2x. Now it is sine x. So 2t into sine x ka derivative of cos x. Therefore 2t derivative t means what? Sine x. 2 sine x cos x. Already if you have done the multiple angle, you must know this formula. This 2 sine x cos x is sine 2x. This is called the chain rule. This is called the substitution method, replacement method. So different name in different books. Next. Suppose y equal to sec to the power 4x. How to solve this sum y equal to sec to the power 4x? So let us apply the chain rule or substitution method. So first of all d dx apply. We are getting d dx of sec to the power 4x. So what is the, let sec x equal to t. We have to take anything as t so that we will get the fundamental formula. Okay. So we are getting here d dx. So d dt of t to the power 4 into dt dx. So t can be differentiated with t and x can be differentiated with x. So this is coming 4t cube into differentiation of sec x. Sec x is sec x tan x. So 4t cube is sec cube x into sec x is sec x tan x. Now we can simplify of your own. Now you can simplify of your own. So if we simplify, we are getting 4, it is coming to be sec to the power 4x into tan x. One more substitution I am showing you, everyone, that is coming. Suppose y equal to root tan x. Y equal to root tan x. So only one way we have to take tan x equal to t. This is a substitution. There is no any another way. So tan x equal to t. So d dx apply karo. D dx equal to t to the power half d dx. X cannot be differentiated with t. Therefore d dt of t to the power half into dt dx. So we can write here half t to the power minus half x to the power n ka formula n x to the power n minus 1. Therefore half t to the power minus half x n x to the power n minus 1 ka formula, and now we can apply d dx of tan x, it is sec square x. So here we are writing half t to the power minus half into sec square x, and finally put the value of t, that is the tan x. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, let us go to the next sum. Let's go to the next question. Y equal to log of sin x. Y equal to log of sin x. What is the differentiation of y equal to log of sin x? Let's see. Let differentiate. So d dx of log of sin x. Remember one thing here, which we have to take as t, the entity or the function which will, if we take as t, the function if we take as t will give us the fundamental formula, that thing will take as t. Remember one thing. So in this case, if we take, just see one thing, if we take sin x equal to t, sin x equal to t, so what is coming here? D dx is coming d dx of log t. Log t. But t cannot be differentiated with x. What I told you, that calculus is a one variable function. Therefore, t cannot be differentiated with x. So d dx, d dt of log t into dt dx. Because dt of log t is 1 by t into d dx of sin x is cos x. Therefore, 1 by t into cos x. So t, if we put the value of t, we are getting what? Just here we are getting t is sin x, so cos x by sin x, cot x is coming. Okay everyone, next. Y equal to tan of e to the power x. In इसका मतलब angle is e to the power x. Whatever I told you previously, that e is the exponential function. It is extremely useful in calculus and in full class 11, 12 and even not in maths, even in physics and chemistry. And e is the exponential function, exponential number lying between 2 and 3. It has a series, e has the series of e to the power x is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial up to infinity. It means e equal to 1 plus e का मतलब instead of x put 1, so 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial up to infinity. Okay, from this one to 1, the value we can generate, e is the irrational number lying between 2 and 3. The approximate value of e is 2.71, what I just told previous time. Next, so what is the derivative of tan of e to the power x? If we just take the d dx, we are getting d dx of tan t, because we know that now it has been, I think, clear for us that which to take as t, it has been identified. Okay, this is e to the power x. So we are getting here d dt of tan t into dt dx. So d dt of tan t is sec square t into derivative of t. Now we can put the value e to the power x. If we put the value e to the power x, final answer is sec square x into e to the power x is sec square t, t का value e to the power x in e to the power x. This is the final answer. This is the final answer, everyone. So one more substitution I am giving you, y equal to e to the power sin x. Y equal to e to the power sin x. How to solve this sum y equal to e to the power sin x? Just see, once again we have to take, we can take here y equal to d dx, if we can apply d dx. So d dx of e to the power t, already now we know, already we have known that we have to take that thing as t so that we can get the fundamental formulas. So here t is considered to be sin x. So must practice, this is very important. So d dx, if we divide dx, so e to the power t cannot be differentiated with x. So t is differentiated with t and x differentiated with x. So d dt of e to the power t into dt dx, we can write this as e to the power t and derivative of sin x. T का value we can put sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, so e to the power sin x into cos x in this way. Okay, so much steps are not required, while just after one practice we can just directly we can say this. I am showing you the shortest way, shortcut method to find this value just after some time. One more example, y equal to root over x square plus a square. How to find? So what to take as t? Obviously I think now it has been clear for you. So we can take x square plus a square. We have to take, once again we have to take anything as t whose derivative is, we can get the fundamental differentiation. So we can apply d dx equal to d dx of t to the power half. So d dt of t to the power half into dt dx. So we are getting here half t to the power minus half into derivative of x square plus a square. Differentiation of x square plus a square, a to constant number, a is the constant number here. So x square ka derivative 2x and derivative of a square is 0, because except x everything is constant. Okay, y is the function. So we can write this as, final answer is coming to be dy dx equal to half denominator root t, it means root over x square plus a square into 2x, 2 cancel, that is x by root over x square plus a square. We are getting like this. Now I am showing you how to directly we can differentiate, just one shortcut method. Suppose y equal to e to the power tan x. We have taken tan x as t. Okay, so just d dx apply karo. So what to do? E to the power tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square x, done. In this way, in the shortcut direct method I am showing you. For example, y equal to tan to the power 5x. So actually t to the power 5, tan to the power 5 means t to the power 5. So t to the power 5 মানে 5 t to the power 4 into derivative of tan x. So we can write this as d dx is coming to be 5 t to the power 4 মানে tan x to the power 4 into derivative of tan x is sec square is. In this way, in the shortest possible method, we can solve this type of substitution. For example, one more example I am showing you, y equal to sine of log x. So sine of t, we have to take log x as t. So sine of t, the derivative is cos t. Sine t, derivative of cos is cos t. So we are getting cos of log x into derivative of log x 1 by x. In this way, everybody, in this way, continuously you have to solve the sum. In this way, you have to, we can solve the sum very fast, very easily. And remember one thing, shortcut method is extremely important in 11-12 study. Next, y equal to, suppose what to do, e to the power x square plus s square. Y equal to e to the power x square plus x square. How to write this? Just see one thing, let us apply. Obviously we know, just I think it has been clear for you also, that which to take as t. So x square plus y square is x square plus a square equal to t. So e to the power t, e to the power t is e to the power t, e to the power t means e to the power t, and derivative of x square plus a square is 2x. Done in one line. For example, y equal to what to be done, that is tan of sin x. If it is y equal to tan of sin x, what to do here? Just d dx. Already we have known that sin x we have to take as t. So tan t is sec square t into derivative of sin x. So sec square t, t ka matlab here sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. In this way, continuously you have to think like this. In this way you have to think like this. Next, y equal to, suppose log of tan cube x. This type of sums. Log means if nothing is given, by default automatically the base of the log is e. Therefore, just first of all, let's simplification. Let's simplify. Y equal to 3 log of tan x. Now directly we can write this as sum. Directly we can solve this sum. So d dx apply the d dx 3 log of tan x. Obviously we know, you know also, now it has been I think easier for you that which should take as t, to understand that tan x equal to t. So log t is 1 by t into derivative of tan x sec square x. So log t is 1 by t, it means 1 by tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now I am showing you some other type. Suppose y equal to log of x base a. When base is not e, we have to convert it to base e, otherwise we cannot use the formula, because the log formula log x equal to 1 by x is given with base e, that is ln. So what to do? Log property, log x base a, log a by log a. Therefore y equal to, automatically the base has been e, and log a is the constant number. You can apply u by v formula, but it is unnecessary. Whenever constant is outside, constant is there, we can take it outside. Therefore d dx log a outside. Otherwise you can, if you think, you can do the u by v method, but u by v is not necessary here. Here it is better, you can just take constant out, and or log x ka derivative d dx of log x equal to 1 by x. So 1 by log a into 1 by x. Sum is over. One more question. Y equal to log of a base x. What to do? Okay, I am writing here. Y equal to log of a base x. How to do and what to do? First of all, that log a base x, log a by log x. So y equal to log a by log x. Now let us apply d dx. If we apply d dx, this is coming log x whole square. So log x u constant. Okay. Oh, we can do this. just log x, v constant, derivative of log a is 0, constant का derivative 0, minus log a constant, log x का derivative 1 by x, u by v formula. The answer is coming minus log a by x into log x whole square. But if we apply the substitution method, this division method is not necessary here. We can apply the substitution method also. If we apply the substitution method, let's see how I am solving the sum. So y equal to log a base x. So we can write log a by log x. Okay, automatically base has been converted to the e. Now, instead of just using the u by v formula, better let us apply the substitution formula. So y equal to log a is a constant number. Now we can write log x to the power minus 1. So let us apply d dx. So log a, now d dx of log x to the power minus 1. Obviously now we have known that log x equal to 2 you have to take. I am doing directly. So log x equal to t. If we take log x equal to t, we are getting d dt of t to the power minus 1 into dt dx, d dx of log x. Or direct, this step is even not necessary. Directly we can solve the sum. For example, this is coming log a into minus 1 by t square, because x to the power n x to the power n minus 1, t to the power minus 1 is minus 1 into t to the power minus 2. So minus 1 by t square, minus is outside, 1 by t square into derivative of log x is 1 by x. It is a direct method, everybody. We can solve it. In this way, we can solve the differentiation directly. For example, one more sum. Y equal to log cos x base sec x. How to solve this sum? So remember one thing, first simplification, then differentiation or integration. That is the rule, and remember this, otherwise you have to proceed a long distance. Okay, so what to do here? Y equal to log of log a base b log a by log b, log cos x by log sec x. So we can apply u by v method, but it will be very long sum. Better let us simplify. So log sec x can be written as log cos x, sec x is cos x to the power minus 1, log cos x to the power minus 1. So here it is coming. So before differentiation, let us simplify. So we are writing as log of cos x divided by minus outside log of cos x. Okay, if we simplify, then sum will be done very early, very fast. So d dx equal to d dx of equal to 0. And one more time I am showing you, differentiation is a very big part for the beginner students. Just one more. Y equal to x to the power x. Here when the variable is in power, so x to the power n formula will not work. The reason is that x to the power n means n is the constant number. Therefore, we can write this here. Let's apply. Here d dx will not work unless you just take, you have to take the log. Whenever variable का क्या मतलब? Variable means x and y is called a variable. When variable is in power in any form, better in 99% cases, माने maximum cases, we have to take the log on the both side. Okay, so if we take log on the both side, log का मतलब ln. So log x to the power x. Now according to the properties of the log, we know it is coming to the power. Power is coming to outside. Therefore, I am taking power outside. Therefore, log y, log means ln. So x, ln, log, whatever you can write. Ln x. You can write ln, you can write log. It does not matter. So we can just do the d dx method. So if we just do the d dx, it is coming 1 by y dy dx. And here uv formula. Here it is a uv formula, that product formula. So anything as u and anything is v, x into log x का derivative 1 by x plus log x into dx by dx1. So dy dx, we are getting here x plus log x, and which is multiplied by y. Y is x to the power x. So final answer is, this is coming x to the power x into x plus log x. So everybody, that's all for the basic level. This is the differentiation for the very beginner, and next step differentiation I'll just get soon. Bye everybody, and must subscribe this channel to get this type of videos. Bye everyone.